Hello, everyone. My name is Jim Kinter. I'm a faculty member in the Department of Atmospheric, Oceanic, and Earth Sciences here at George Mason, and I'm here to tell you about a new minor in climate resilience and adaptation. So why do we have a new minor to help students understand climate change? Well, the fact is that Earth's climate is changing. Severe weather is increasing, and these changes are having big impacts. Climate-related disasters just here in the United States alone have resulted in losses exceeding $1 billion every year. And the number of those events are increasing, with total losses over the past 25 years of over $2 trillion. As a result, communities, cities, states, and our nation need a cadre of climate literate professionals who can help us design, develop, and implement adaptation and resilience solutions to the problems that we face today and that will likely become more severe in the future. So the climate resilience and adaptation minor has been created to help students understand how and why the climate is changing, understand what the current impacts of that change are and what we might expect in the future, how to develop and evaluate strategies for adaptation that will enhance our climate readiness, and how to help societies and ecosystems become more resilient to future impacts of climate change. This minor is being co-hosted by the Department of Atmospheric, Oceanic, and Earth Sciences and the Department of Environmental Science and Policy, both in the College of Science. But importantly, it's open to students majoring in a wide range of subjects across departments, colleges, and schools. We have 4 learning objectives for this minor. First, to gain understanding of climate science and the impacts of climate and climate change. Understand how policy relating to climate change and climate change resilience, as well as engineering solutions, might be put into place. Understand that climate change impacts different societies in different ways, which represents a justice and equity issue. And finally, helping students translate science into practice. To fulfill those outcomes, the minor requires 16 to 18 credits, including 10 credits of core classes. Those core classes are listed here. There's Climate 101 and 103, Global Warming, Weather, Climate, and Society, a 3-credit lecture class and a 1-credit lab class. EVPP 490, Climate Change Adaptation Planning and Assessment, which is about policy, and a practical experience of at least 3 credits. Practical experience that's required for this minor can be satisfied in any of a number of ways. It can be an internship, can be an independent research project, can be a capstone course, and importantly, it can be in your own major. The only thing we require for it to satisfy the minor is that they meet at least one of these 3 criteria. They support climate readiness efforts in local partners. They contribute to regional or statewide assessment of climate vulnerabilities, or they contribute to regional or statewide opportunities to increase resilience. As I mentioned, all George Mason undergraduate students are eligible to take this minor. We've put a large number of electives into the minor to accommodate students from a wide range of majors. And this is a transdisciplinary program that bridges climate science and policy and also provides practical experience for students to gain the knowledge they need to become sustainability-minded professionals. There's more information available on the AOES and ESP websites. Interested students can either contact their own academic advisors in their department, or they can contact Dr. Huang, the undergraduate coordinator in AOES. Thank you.